I'm so excited to sing at the Enchanted Forest Fairy concert this evening.
Me too.
Oops, sorry about that. I seem to have a tickle in my throat.
Would you like some water?
That'd be perfect. Thanks, Opal. Okay, I think that's done it. Shall we get started?
Sure, let's do some warm-ups. Repeat after me. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do.
Do, re, mi, fa. Do, re, mi, fa.
Are you okay, Sunny?
Yes,
Oh no, you've lost your voice.
but I can't have lost my voice. Our big performance is tonight. I can't lose my voice now. This is a disaster.
It's okay, Sunny. We'll figure this out.
But how? What are we going to do?
Oh, we could try taking deep breaths in and out to see if that helps.
Okay.
On the count of 3, breathe in, hold, and breathe out again. 1, 2, 3. Okay, good. Now let's do it again. But this time I want you to rub your stomach and pat your head as you breathe, okay? It'll help distract your mind from your cough. Right? 1, 2, 3, and hold. Whoops. Maybe that's the remedy for something else? Is your voice any better?
Do, re, mi, fa, sol. Oh, it didn't work. This is useless. I'll never fix my voice in time for the concert.
Oh no. Okay, let me have another think. I've got it! Floor is always making these incredible teas to help people when they get sick. Maybe she could whip up one to help soothe your voice too?
That's a great idea, Opal. Let's go.
Knock, knock.
Oh, hey guys, come on in.
Hey, Floor. We're in a bit of a pickle. You see, Sunny has lost her voice, and we're supposed to be performing in the Enchanted Forest Fairy concert this evening. We've tried a few different things to get it back to normal, but nothing is working.
Oh no!
We were wondering if you could make one of your amazing remedy drinks to try and cure it.
Of course, I'd be glad to help. Why don't you guys make yourselves at home and I'll rustle something up?
Amazing. Thanks, Floor.
That should do it. Okay, the mixture's boiling. We'll just give it a few seconds.
Smells amazing.
Okay, it's ready.
Does it work?
Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do.
Works like a charm.
My voice is back. My voice is back. Thank you so much, Floor. You are so talented.
Anytime, Sunny. I'm happy to help. Although, maybe there's one thing you could give me in return.
Sure?
A ticket to your big performance this evening. I tried getting one, but they were sold out.
Oh, of course. Don't worry, Floor. We'll make sure you get front row seats.
This lake is perfect for a picnic.
Who's up for a game of beach ball? Dolly! Catch!
Oh, guys, come have a look at this. Let's explore the lake. This boat would make a great pirate ship. Can you imagine going on a pirate adventure at sea?
I'd love to go on a pirate adventure. You could be our captain, Dolly.
Sailor Penny, any sight of the long-lost Cupcake Island out there?
Nothing, Captain. Let me check our course. Sailor Sophie, can I see the map? Oh, map at sea! Oh no! How are we going to find the island now?
Let's use our navigation skill. Can you smell that?
Sea salt?
There's a delicious vanilla whiff in the air. It must be from Cupcake Island. Land ahoy!
I can smell the vanilla now.
Hold on. This isn't Cupcake Island. It's Vanilla Shampoo Island. Up for exploring it, mateys?
Aye, aye, Captain. Don't you just love this vanilla scent? Yes. Hold on. Something smells sweet. Can you smell it?
I do! Cupcake Island must be nearby. Let's go! Island on the starboard side.
Wait. It smells minty. This isn't Cupcake Island. It's Peppermint Foot Scrub Island. Now that you mention it, a pedicure would be really nice.
Let's go then. Weigh anchor.
Oh, that foot scrub was amazing. Next stop, Cupcake Island.
Let's see if we can pick up any new scents.
Chocolate icing.
Let's go.
Yeah!
Who is up for another adventure? Which island should we go to next? Oh, stealing treasure! You two are such pirates.
Aye, aye, Captain. My favorite friends, always together.
I can't wait to see this. They've been rehearsing this dance routine for so long.
Shh! I think it's starting.
That was amazing, guys.
I'm so glad you liked it. You were our first audience.
I'd love to learn your dance.
Me too. Can you teach us?
We'd love to. Then we can perform as a troupe for our show tonight. Step to the left. Step to the right.
Wait, it's a little fast. I just want to get it perfectly right. When you say step, how far apart should our feet be?
Shoulder length apart. Let's start again.
So, left step, right step, then paint a rainbow with your arms open wide above your head.
Wait, I've got an idea. Instead of a rainbow, why don't we do a wave move?
Yes, maybe later, but it would complicate things right now. How about we practice it just the way it is first? Ready?
So, left step, right step, Rainbow paint.
Sorry. I just didn't do a perfect ellipse for my rainbow. Okay, one last time till the end.
Left step, right step.
Rainbow painting and...
The final twirl.
How about we do a little hop instead of a twirl for the finale?
This isn't working. We'll never be ready in time for the show tonight.
I'm sorry, Opal. We just need to persevere and push ourselves. Team, let's concentrate a bit more. Cammy, you make the best funny faces, but maybe keep them for the end?
Got it, Lily.
And Nina, you're doing great. Not every move needs to be perfect. It's fine if we put a bit of our own style in it.
Okay, Lily. I'll do my best.
Sunny and Opal, maybe you can add some of Harper's ideas into the routine. But Harper, you can't change it too much. After all, we loved the original dance as it was.
Sounds good to me, Lily.
Huh. We can do this, team.
We did it!
That was amazing. Can you teach us?
I think we have enough teaching practice to teach the whole forest. What do you think, Sunny?
I'm in.
Right